Welcome to the Hard Hat Training Series. Today you will learn about the setup and safe operation of loader backhoes, also called backhoe loaders. We will strive to provide information that will increase your knowledge and help to make you a better operator. Loader backhoes are very common in the construction industry. They are often used for a variety of tasks, including but not limited to digging of trenches, holes, or foundations, demolition, grading and landscaping, paving roads, breaking asphalt, removing dirt or debris, and transportation of building materials. During this training, we'll take a look at the functionality and components of a loader backhoe. We'll also show you why it's important to conduct a thorough pre-shift inspection each day before using the equipment. We will look at machine stability and the importance of knowing the loader backhoe's capacity. We'll emphasize the importance of planning each job and setting up the machine and site properly to avoid hazards and obstacles around the worksite. We will also touch on some of the common hazards associated with loader backhoe operation and show you how to recognize, avoid, or minimize them. By the time you complete this training in conjunction with both the written and practical exams, you should be ready to operate a loader backhoe. You will be familiar with the equipment used by your company, have an increased knowledge of how to set up and safely operate them, and be able to recognize and avoid the most common hazards associated with their use. These